Hi guys, my name is Dorothy and I'm a sales consultant here at Toyota of Naperville. And in this week's video, I'm going to show you how to delete all your personal data and information out of a vehicle you're about to sell or trade in. We are going to use a 2016 RAV4 Limited, the one that's right behind me here. And it's got a really nice and easy to use system. It's our Toyota Entune system that's in there, and in just a few steps you could really save yourself a lot of trouble and heartache in the future by taking your home address and all your personal information that you don't want anybody else to see out of that vehicle. So follow me and I'll set you up and show you all the necessary stuff. Okay guys, so we have started our vehicle and the whole Entune system and display is up now. So the first thing you want to do is click on apps, say okay, and that's going to take you to your setup. Click on general setup, and once you see a list of the general setup information, you go all the way down to delete personal data. Once you click on that, it just gives you a description of what it is, and then it says do not delete or delete. Are you sure you want to delete all personal data? Yes. And it's just going to take a second or two. It's deleting all the personal information. It does state not to turn the vehicle off or refrain from removing the map card. So here, now that it's finished, we can go back into either navigation or the phone options and make sure that there are no addresses left in here, nothing in address book. So it looks just to show you a quick shortcut. When we're in the home screen, in the right hand top corner, there's a little settings button there. So you can go ahead and click that and then just click on general settings and then scroll down the list to find delete personal data. So that's a little bit of a shortcut, saves you about a step or so. You can do it either. You just seen the few easy steps it takes to delete all your personal information out of your vehicle, and whether you're selling the car, trading it in, or maybe just returning a lease. It is a really important thing to do, and it will save you a lot of headaches. Protect your personal information. And if you have any other questions, or if you'd like more information on this beautiful RAV that we used today, please feel free to give me a call. My number is below. And once again, my name is Dorothy Szczepińska, and I work at Toyota of Naperville. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Do widzenia.